Hello friend, it is me Ram Lama, and in this video I'll be helping you to install Zoom for your online classes, and it is very much easy. So you have to go to your browser in the Google, search ZGOOM Zoom, enter it, and you'll have this site zoom.us. Click there. Now we are in the dashboard. So before that, I want you to create your account. So you can see here, sign up, it is free. So click here, sign up for free. Here you have to verify your date of birth. So click month, okay, January 87 1995. Okay, so and say continue. So your work email, I'll type work email deepakhapangi@gmail.com and say sign up. So now it says we have sent an email to deepakhapangi@gmail.com. Click the confirmation link in that email to begin using Zoom. So what you have to do, you have to go to your Gmail ID. Okay, open your Gmail ID, and here you can see in the promotion we have Zoom. So please activate your Zoom account. Click here and say here you'll have hello Deepak Hapangi, welcome to Zoom. To activate your account, please click the button below to verify your email address. Click activate account. Okay, so it will say, are you signing up on behalf of the school? So yes, I will say yes, because we will be using for a school. Or like if I'm admin, then I'll say yes. Okay, but let me make her a student, so I'll say no and continue. So please you also make it's your, you'll type no. Okay, so continue. And now you can see, welcome to Zoom. Hi Deepak Hapangi. Your account has been successfully created. Please list your name and create password to continue. So let me write, okay, the name, okay, and the password. So make password for yourself and don't be confused with your password. Don't forget this password. You will need this one. So I have created the password and I have confirmed the password here and say continue. Okay, it is up to you. If you want to save, you can save, but I won't save here now, never. Okay, and here it says invite your colleagues. So here now I won't invite anyone. I'll say here skip, and I would like to request you also to skip this step. So skip this step. Okay, now start your test meeting. So your personal meeting URL is this one, so we don't have to do anything here. Just leave it as it is and say go to my account. And now you can see you have already created your Zoom account. So now what we'll do is we'll install the software in our laptop. So to install that laptop, we have to go again. See here down, if you see here, we may have download option. Let me search. See here we have download option and we have meeting client. So click on meeting client. Now you can click here download. It has been already downloaded. Here you can see zoom installer.exe file. So click there. One click will be enough. So you can see here zoom installer, it is installing now. Okay, it says now join a meeting or sign. It has been already installed, so just click sign in, and you know your email ID. Click your email ID and put the password that you had created during sign up. Okay, and say keep me sign in and sign in. So we are here now. Okay, Deepak Havangi, So this is how your dashboard will be. So in this video I have teach you how to install, I have taught you how to install or sign up for Zoom, and I know you have got it. So if you have any problem, any confusion while installing, let me know, so I will be able to help you. I will try to help you. Thank you very much for watching.